Alright, what's up, people? Back again. So now I'm gonna show you what we got. So these are all the old main bearings here. Well, not all of them, maybe a couple missing, but all of them have been removed from the block. So we got a whole new set here. So basically what we finna do is get this rotating assembly for the bottom ready to go in there. So basically what we're gonna have to do is take the crank back out of here, put in the lower half of the bearings, I guess you would say, and then pretty much go from there. I was trying to look and see if these were numbered in any type of way like the other ones were. Looks like not, I'm guessing. Don't look like it is, so I'm guessing they are all created equally. So like I said, we knocked in cam bearings in that block down there, and then we did, so like I said, now we're gonna get ready to do the mains. Know what I'm saying? We're gonna kind of be doing both of these engines simultaneously, man, because we've been, I ain't gonna say we've been bullshitting, but we ain't been handling the business. I mean, we're gonna do them one at a time, but at the same time, if that makes sense. So we finna pull, and this one is just so much lighter to work with. I love this aluminum shit. Yeah, so we're finna pull the crank up out of here, put the bearings down there in the bottom, and then get them bad boy ready to be installed. Alright, so as you can see, we got our stay lube, engine assembly lube. We got our bearings off in there. You're gonna definitely want to make sure that you lubricate them bad boys. Do not need no dry starts at all. Alright, so then we got so what we had to do was just move this little bracket out of the way. You know what I'm saying? And boom. New barbell, who this? You know what I mean? And then boom, backing out. Just like that. No, all I want is you. But yeah, as you can see, we don't have it all torqued down, but as you can see, it's off in there. Like I said, spinning my hand. All new bearings. Let's go. Alright, what up, good people? We back again. Finna get ready to move the bike out the way so we can pull this engine back out and we can get back to business. Like I said, the bottom end was pretty much done, so we're finna go ahead and put these pistons in. New piston rings on deck, new rod bearings on deck. So all the way to the good with that. I think we even had a couple extra pistons from when we had broke the piston. Where that broke piston at? Broke boys. Yeah, so this one, I think the last time I was putting the engine into something, somehow I broke the piston. So this one is just now a trophy thing or whatever, because it's been like this so long. That shit ain't even moving. So that shit is breaking the concrete. Yeah, that shit ain't moving, so that shit a trophy. God damn. Yeet. Keep that shit lubricated. But anyway, we got 8 pistons over here ready to do the Lord's work. Yes, indeed. So what we gonna do with these is we gonna get them new piston rings. Okay. New piston rings on each. Part number. What a part number. See, this was a good one too. But yeah, we gonna get all new piston rings on that thing. Piston rings, new piston rings on them pistons, man, and we gonna get them put in. Where I put the piston ring? Oh, there it go. There they go. Yeah, so all new piston ring, they go to part number. Same thing for the what you call piston rings and what you call these things? Piston rings and rod bearings. You know what I'm talking about? So we're gonna get them put together. Well, get them put on now. We're gonna be using the piston ring compressor, and then we got our piston ring installer, which should make this a little bit easier for us. So yeah, it's like that. All right, so as you can see here, we got the pistons installed. Let me flip it over for you. Pistons installed, tie rod, or not tie rods, freaking. So, all right, so long story short, I messed up. I had to loosen the crank so I could rotate it, get all the pistons on there the right way. Piston orientation does matter. Take a look, it's in a book, Reading Rainbow. Yeah. So yeah. So the last thing I got to do is just finish torquing these side bolts. We already torqued the connecting rod bearings. And then pretty much the bottom end of the belt or the bottom end of the block is complete. Pistons, like fresh piston rings, so cam bearings, main bearings, rod bearings, piston rings, everything new. Let's flip it over. All right, yeah. So as you can see, all pistons installed. GTG, baby, good to go. So technically the next thing would be like, I mean, honestly, from here it's oil pump, pickup tube, finish assembling the bottom, oil pan, cam, lifters, heads. Like it really go downhill from here on to my. So stay tuned.